Hola, buenos días. En este video vamos a tomar una prueba. So we are going to take a quiz. If you want to actually take this quiz before I start going through and giving you all the answers, there's a link available to you in the description of the video, and it will take you to the document that you are looking at here. The concepts on this quiz that we'll be looking at are, well, there are four. One is ir, which means to go. We're going to be doing this in the present tense. The second one is telling time. The third one is using the verb estar to talk about location, and the last one is interrogative words. Those are question words like who, what, when, where, why, etc. So if you want to take this quiz, go ahead and do it. Otherwise, I'm going to start giving you some answers right now. So this part one here. I'm going to fill in the blank with the correct form of the verb ir. Hopefully remember it's voi, vas, va, vamos, vice, and van. So this first one, my friend Blake, is going to be va. Number two, yo, that's going to be voi. Number three, this one, it's going to be vas. Number four, it's they, so it's going to be van. And number five, my friends Ryan, Kayla, and I, so it's nosotros, and that's going to be vamos. So those are your answers for part one. Moving on down here to part two, we have answered the following questions in complete sentences and include the given time in your answer. So the first question and the second question are both asking what time is it, and it's 8:30, so I'm going to say son las 8:30. I could say either 30 or I could say media if I wanted to. Number two, it is 10:15, so I'm going to say son las 10:15, and right here I could say either cuarto or 15. So then you'll notice that 3, 4, and 5 are a little bit different. They're saying at what time does something happen. So I'm going to say someone does something at a certain time. Number 3 says what time do you go to school? So I'll say voy a la escuela at, so a las 7:10, at 7:10. Number 4, what time do you have Spanish? 11 o'clock, so I have Spanish at 11 o'clock. Tengo español a las 11. And then what time do you visit the bathroom? 9 o'clock, so I visit the bathroom at 9 o'clock. Alright, I'm going to move down here, part 3. We have using the verb estar to fill in these blanks, talking about location. So Joe and Michaela will be están. We is going to be estamos. Yo will be estoy. Tú will be estás. And Will is going to be está. Okay, and then lastly we have some question words. I have 5 words here. Hopefully you know what they are. If you don't, you might want to look them up. But quiénes means who, como is how or what, qué is what, cuándo is when, and cuál is what or which. So you probably learned number 1 on the first or second day of learning Spanish here. So we're looking at what's the person's name. So that's como se llama. And number 2 says something about the computer class, and it says the class is at 2 o'clock. So obviously they're looking for when. Number 3 says something about people studying in the library, and then it says my friends study in the library. So I believe we'll be looking for who on this one. Number 4, something about your classes is easy. Spanish class is easy when you try. So I think we're going to go for which on this one. And number 5 says something about a sandwich, and it's a torta, and it says it's similar to a sandwich. So I believe we're going to say what is a torta. Que es una torta. So those are your answers here. Though that's the quiz. If you have any questions or need me to clarify one of my answers or something, just leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and hasta luego.